So, I was just in my room chilling. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Yeah. A bird literally just flew in my air conditioner. Well, it still keeps falling, but this is like the circle. Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna grab it. I'm gonna shut the air conditioner off so it doesn't break anything. So yeah, I was just chilling in my room. My air conditioner kicked on. The Coleman kicked on. And I heard like a loud noise, just like that, coming from the air conditioner as soon as it kicked on. And I looked out through my window and said, dead bird that flew in there and got caught. Oh my god. And it fell down there. Oh, where is it? I gotta get this stuff. Oh, it's down there. I think we need to get this later when my dad gets home. I think we need to get this cover off and clean it. I'm gonna get the pieces off the top. This is gonna be disgusting, but yeah. Wow. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.